Starting around 20 January 2024, Algorand generally is exchanging at $0.1719 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in most recent 60 minutes. Algo for the most part has a sort of complete market cap of $1,382,532,813, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $57,042,244, which basically is very huge. This makes Algorand, Algo, genuinely positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand especially be certainly worth in 2024, or so they especially thought. Is Algorand a fundamentally wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2024? Will Algo value sort of outperform its untouched high, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? These essentially are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024, as per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Algo cost essentially is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.2803, the normal sort of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to truly be $0.2706 in a for the most part huge manner. Besides, Algo can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.3232, which by and large is genuinely huge. Algo value gauge January 2024. The Algorand conjecture for January 2024 expects that the Algo may especially arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.2083, with a very least cost of around $0.1852, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Discussing the typical value, Algo can generally stretch around $0.2025 for January, or so they truly thought. Algo value figure February 2024. The Algorand estimate for February 2024 expects that the Algo may in every practical sense arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.2185, with a kind of least cost of around $0.1969, or so they generally thought. Discussing the by and large normal value, Algo can sort of stretch around $0.2066 for February, which especially is very huge. Algo value conjecture walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.2052. Showing how this sort of makes Algorand, Algo, certainly positioning at 54 in the digital money market, which generally is very huge. The Algo cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $0.2267, with the truly normal cost around $0.2149, or so they thought. Algo value estimate April 2024. The Algorand conjecture for April 2024 expects that the Algo may by and large arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.2375, with a truly least cost of around $0.2136, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the truly normal value, Algo can generally stretch around $0.2213 for April in an especially large manner. Algorand, Algo, value figure May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Algorand explicitly is truly anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a typical cost of $0.2257, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.2463 and in every way that really matters, least of $0.2180, or so they basically thought. Algorand value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Algorand truly is supposed to in a real sense be at around at least $0.2229 in a significant manner. Algorand cost can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.2576, with the truly normal cost of $0.2325 in United States dollars. Algorand value expectation July 2024. The cost of Algorand for the most part is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.2318 in July 2020. The Algo cost could really arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.2669, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.2395 all through 2024, or so they essentially thought. Algorand, Algo, value expectation August 2024. The cost for Algorand in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.2389 and $0.2765 in an unpretentious manner. While the typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.2467, sort of additional appearance how Algo value figure walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Algorand truly is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $0.2052, showing how this essentially makes Algorand, Algo, genuinely positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market, or so they truly thought. Algo value conjecture September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Algorand sort of is supposed to really arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.2444, or so they generally thought. The Algo cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.2888, with the truly normal cost around $0.2541, especially further appearance how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Algorand be certainly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Algorand, Algo, value expectation October 2024. The cost for Algorand in October 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.2565 and $0.2990, which fundamentally is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.2642, which for the most part is very huge. Algorand value expectation November 2024. Algorand cost for the most part is supposed to by and large reach between $0.2651 to $0.3122 in November 2024, while the really normal cost of Algo for the November explicitly remains around $0.2748. Algorand value expectation December 2024. Algorand cost truly is supposed to sort of reach between $0.2706 to $0.3232 in December 2024, while the typical cost of Algo for the December truly remains around $0.2803. Algorand certainly passed value examination. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been certainly diminished to 3.79% in its most certainly current worth. Showing that these in a real sense are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future in a by and large enormous manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the by and large current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand by and large is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The Algo is down to nearly 7.88% in the kind of most recent 7 days, so Algorand value expectation November 2024. Algorand cost basically is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.2651 to $0.3122.